Hello again, year two. I'm back because yesterday I forgot to show you the biggest frog in the world and the smallest frog in the world, and I didn't want you to miss those. So are you ready now? Are you sitting comfortably? I don't know if you're all sat on the floor again like yesterday, but here goes. This is the size of a normal frog that we might find in this country. Okay, now the smallest frog in the world doesn't have a common name. It's called Pediophryne amulensis, but let's just call it the weenie frog. It's on this leaf. Look how small the leaf is. And I've made it out of Fimo. So that is the tiniest frog in the world. If it stays in focus, it might not be in focus there. And that is an adult frog. So imagine how tiny the babies are. That is a 5p piece. So it could easily fit on a 5p. That's the smallest frog in the world. And if you look on your list that I gave you, you'll see where it comes from in the world. Now, are you ready for the biggest frog in the world? Remember I said it was bigger than a pet cat? It is. I'm going to have to back off so you can see this. Although I'll have it come up from under the table. This is called the Goliath frog, and it lives in Cameroon in Africa. Are you ready? That's just its nose. Look at the size of the Goliath frog. Now I'm 6 foot tall, so if I stand back and you can see how big it is there. Wow. And it weighs just over 3 kilos. If you've got some weights in your class, you can see what 3 kilos weighs. It's got a lovely fat tummy because you can imagine all the food that it eats, and its muscular legs are as fat as my arms. So the Goliath frog, 3.2 kilos, and it can jump over an estate car, right over the car from back to the front. I really like that. I think I'd like to meet one, although I bet I wouldn't be able to catch it. So that's it. You have got the smallest frog in the world and the largest frog in the world. Sorry, I forgot to show you yesterday. It was lovely meeting you all. So I'm going to say goodbye again, and we'll write to each other, and I'll see you later. So bye.